In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize caption styles in Submagic. We're going to walk through the full flow so your captions look clean, on-brand, and easy to read. Start by heading to submagic.co in your browser. Log in and choose the account you want to work with so you're in the right workspace. From the dashboard, you can either create a new project or open an existing one. Pick whichever makes sense for what you're working on today. The goal is simply to get inside a project where you can access the caption styling tools. Once you're in your project, look for the caption style options. Submagic offers several preset looks, and choosing one gives you a strong starting point. Pick the base style that aligns with your video's tone, whether that's minimal, bold, playful, or professional. This choice sets the foundation and saves you time before you fine-tune. Now focus on the top right corner of the style selection area. You'll see a button that says Customize, followed by the name of the style you selected, like Customize Style Name. Click that to open the customization panel. This is where you shape the details and make the captions your own. Inside the customization panel, you can adjust 4 core elements: font style, font weight, font size, and colors. Font style controls the typeface itself. Choose something that's easy to read at a glance. Clean sans serif fonts are usually great for fast-paced videos, while more distinctive fonts can add personality if they stay legible. Font weight determines how thick or thin your text appears. Lighter weights feel subtle. Medium to bold weights improve visibility, especially over busy footage. Font size is about balance. Large text improves readability on mobile, but too large can crowd your frame. Aim for a size that stays readable without covering important visuals. Finally, colors. Think about contrast. Captions should stand out against your background. Dark text on light scenes or light text on darker scenes works best. If you're using brand colors, keep them high contrast and consistent so they're recognizable and accessible. As you adjust these settings, keep your audience and platform in mind. Short-form, fast-scrolling content benefits from bolder, slightly larger captions, while longer videos might lean more discreet. Consistency across projects helps your content look polished, so once you find a combination you like, stick with it. That's it. By selecting a base style and using the Customize panel for font style, weight, size, and colors, you'll create captions that look professional and match your brand without adding complexity.